Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Newtonabbey's 28. Today we're at Whiteabbey with nobody, just me. Usually I'd come here for meetups, but I think this is the second time I've been here just by myself. The last time was the 18th of February 2023. Anyways, we're going to be filming 3 trains here in the space of half an hour. First one is at 16:35, second one is at 16:45, and the third one is at 16:55. And that's it, practically pretty much a boring video. The only time videos aren't boring here is whenever I'm with the dough balls, but none of them could make it. I know, are all very busy. Even McFarlane is. Oh yeah. Also, I just wanted to say this video is dedicated to TDTS because he's turning 13 today. So I want to wish him a happy birthday. This is his birthday video. May not be the best thing, but I'm acknowledging your birthday. So anyway, see when the trains come. I think we're seeing more than one. Sorry, I meant more than 3. Yeah, I forgot that expresses could run on this line. I think there's another one due very shortly. But that was heading from Derry to Great Victoria Street. I don't know why my camera's burned. It's probably because of the rain. Right, I think another express may be coming here. Off to Derry. Yeah. So that was 4017 and 4014. Oh yes, also I was meant to tell you something else. I just got some information that Trainspotting's NI may be in this video. I don't know if he'll arrive or not, but it's unconfirmed at this point. Alright, here's a 4000 coming on the 16:35 to Carrickfergus. Obviously can't tell the number yet. If I did, I'd have probably 20/20 vision or something. I know it's not a walkthrough, so that's 7 trains eliminated. Oh, there we are. It's 407. Okay, it's departing now. So I don't know why that took so long to say. I don't know why trains terminate at Carrick. Sorry, that was my phone. Jesus Christ, I'm popular. So yeah, I don't know why trains terminate at Carrickfergus. It's kind of a strange place to terminate, in my opinion. Yeah, I remember it did that on my 14th birthday whenever I came here. Sadly, we have received information that Trainspotting's NI will not be joining us in this video. His parents have said that he might not be able to get here in time whenever I leave, so that's a bummer. And also, it's raining slightly. So, this video will just be solo. We're very lucky today, 4,000s. Just wish Just wish Alex was here to see all this, or any train spotter, to be honest. Not often you see this at all. .401 to Great Victoria Street. And after some time, we depart. I don't know how long that took, but that took absolutely ages to depart. About 4 or 5 minutes. That train's late. So if anyone's getting on that service, or anyone who did get on that service and is watching this video, you'll be wondering why this train is late. I just told you why. So here's a thank you. Well, this is one lucky day. Never mind, this one's not stopping. .413 to Larne Harbour. I did not know this one was coming. Didn't come up on the... Well, obviously it wouldn't come up in journey check because it doesn't show trains that pass here, but it only shows ones that stop. I did not know this one didn't stop. I didn't know a Larne Harbour service didn't stop at Whiteabbey. I always thought it did. Well, it usually does, but this one just must be a Larne Harbour Express. Oh wait, never mind. Clipperstown. I remember now. I saw these at Clipperstown nearly a year ago, so yeah. Start with 4,000, have 4,000s all the way through, end with a 4,000. The perfect video for train spotting. And it's finally here. I have no recollection of any other videos that have just featured 4,000s in them. But this one, I'll definitely remember it. Because I didn't really pay that much attention back in like 2021, 2022. Oh, it's the coffee bean train. We seen it Antrim a few days ago. 419. Thank you. Tropical rain as well. It's right beside me. It's leaving now. And an even lovelier way to finish the video by giving us a horn. We've always got so many horns here. Though sadly no one's been with us. It's been quite a joyous trip. Also, I'd like to once again wish Zach, aka TDTS 304, a happy birthday from me, Newtonabbey's 28, your oldest pal. And we'll see you in another video. Goodbye. Hold up, we don't need to play the outro just yet because we're not forgetting the bonus clip that's coming right now. We do a little tour of York Street Station, which is due to open sometime soon. So here's the video now. Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Newtonabbey's 28. We've never been here before, Yorkgate, but there's some station redevelopment going on. This is technically part 2 of Zach's birthday. York Street train station redevelopment. This is apparently what it'll look like with the new logo. Here's a better image of it, slightly squashed from where I'm standing, but I guess that's just the way it is. We'll maybe actually we'll go up here just to reminisce about the old Yorkgate station, which is going to rename itself to York Street, I think. Please use stairs where possible. Oh, aye, that up there is closed, so we'll have to not go up there. Oh, construction. That's the station at Yorkgate, which is apparently going soon. We'll have a wee look and see. We're not going to train spot here though, but I don't think we'll train spot here because I haven't had enough time. We're quite pushed. We're just going to take one look and we're going to go. Alright, this is stupid. I should not have taken the ramp. But damn, it's a good view. High-rise flats and all that. I think our 4,000 is just pulled in there. Oh, I think it's a 4,000, I don't know. Can't really see the front. And that would, of course, determine whether it's a 3,000 or 4,000, but I'm sure you guys knew anyway. Because most of my audience is from Northern Ireland anyway. So the deal with font. I see. And the old logo as well, so that's good. I don't actually think we can go up to the platforms, but it's the best I could do. I'll walk up and see anyway. There's another train walking in here. They'll run a wee bit. We'll go up this run. Yeah, 4,000 it was. There's a depot over there as well in Cape Hill. How come Ulster Bank went purple? Well, actually, I might have an answer. It is owned by NatWest and they're purple. Although NatWest do banks in England and Wales, and then Scotland's one is RBS. Don't know what Isle of Man or overseas UK territories banks would be like, but in Northern Ireland it's definitely Ulster Bank. In recent years, though, they've become extremely unpopular. And there's a metro bus. I can hear something. Yeah, there's 407. I saw that earlier. I remember it at Whiteabbey. There's the M3 motorway. Or M2, sorry. And I guess this concludes our tour. Hasn't been the best one, I'll admit, but it's the most accessible I could do. So, thank you guys for watching this bonus video, and I shall see you in another video. I don't know when that'll be, but hopefully I'll be doing more crossings up the north coast, London Dairy Line. So, see you later, and goodbye.
Hold me close till I get up.